Welcome to the MBPI Home Inspection Network.
Hey, it's Todd Whiting from Metro Boston Property Inspections. And today I'm looking at an older house built in the late 1800s. And one of the things we commonly see here are older rough-hewn beams. And these are showing signs of past powder post beetle damage and old borer damage, old house borer damage in the beams. A lot of the repair work has already been done, but it's nice to see and be able to look at these things. Something else we see is where they've actually drilled through and they had old porcelain tubes for knob and tube wiring, which has also been removed. This is why here at Metro Boston Property Inspection we love inspecting older homes, because we get to see everything that may have been done in the old days. Todd Whiting, Metro Boston Property Inspections.
Thank you for watching the MBPI Home Inspection Network.